In various aspects of life, we encounter situations where we need to introduce ourselves to others. Whether it's a job interview, a networking event, or a social gathering, a well-crafted self-introduction can leave a lasting impression and open the doors to meaningful connections. This article delves into the art of self-introduction, providing tips, techniques, and examples to help you make a strong impact. Importance of self-introduction. A self-introduction sets the stage for any interaction. It is the first step in forming connections with others, and it shapes people's initial perceptions of you. An engaging self-introduction can build trust, establish credibility, and create a positive impression. It also serves as a conversation starter, breaking the ice and making others comfortable engaging with you. Crafting your self-introduction. Know your audience. Before crafting your self-introduction, consider the context and the people you will be addressing. Tailoring your introduction to the specific audience helps you resonate with them better. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key in self-introduction. Be true to yourself and avoid exaggeration or insincerity. Let your personality shine through your words. Highlight your key traits and achievements. Identify the unique traits and accomplishments that define you. Share your strengths, skills, and experiences that make you stand out. Keep it concise. While it's important to provide relevant information, avoid overwhelming your audience with unnecessary details. Keep your self-introduction concise and to the point. Structuring your self-introduction. Start with a greeting. Begin your self-introduction with a warm greeting, such as hello or hi. A friendly approach immediately establishes a positive tone. Share your name and background. State your name and provide a brief background about yourself. Mention your profession or field of study, creating context for your introduction. Mention your professional experience. If appropriate, share your professional experience and expertise. Highlight significant achievements that demonstrate your capabilities. Discuss your interests and hobbies. Adding a personal touch to your self-introduction can make it more relatable. Talk about your hobbies and interests outside of work or study. Wrap up with a closing statement. End your self-introduction with a memorable closing statement. It could be a short summary of your key attributes or an expression of gratitude for the opportunity to introduce yourself. Tailoring self-introductions for different situations. Professional settings. In professional settings like job interviews or business meetings, focus on relevant qualifications and accomplishments. Emphasize how your skills align with the requirements of the situation. Social gatherings. In casual social gatherings, keep the tone light and friendly. Share interesting aspects of your life and show openness to connect with others. Academic and educational environments. In academic settings, mention your field of study, academic achievements, and future goals. Emphasize your passion for learning and contributing to the field. Mastering the art of delivery. Practice and rehearse. Practice delivering your self-introduction in front of a mirror or with a friend. Rehearsing helps you become more confident and natural. Work on your tone and body language. Pay attention to your tone and body language. Speak clearly, and maintain eye contact to appear more confident and engaging. Manage nervousness. Feeling nervous is natural, but don't let it overpower you. Take deep breaths and remind yourself of your strengths before delivering your introduction. Avoiding common mistakes. Point out common pitfalls to avoid in self-introductions, such as being too verbose, using jargon, or sounding rehearsed. Mastering the art of self-introduction is a valuable skill that can greatly impact your personal and professional life. By crafting an authentic, concise, and engaging introduction, you create a lasting impression and set the stage for meaningful connections. Remember to adapt your self-introduction to different situations and practice your delivery to build confidence. Embrace the power of self-introduction and open doors to exciting opportunities.